I'm Nicole Palmer with the Stake Primary Presidency, and we are excited to be able to support you as a parent of children with these videos. They are intended to help you teach your children primary music, which will go right in alignment with what they're learning in singing time. They are meant to inspire you and make your life easier. Today, we're going to learn about the Sacred Music app, so let's get started. Music is a way that we can invite the Holy Ghost to come be in our homes and in our lives. The Sacred Music app makes this possible. It's a free app that allows you to listen to all gospel music, primary, hymns, and other things as well. And here's how to use it. First thing you want to do is go to the App Store. This is what it looks like. Search for Sacred Music app, which looks like the little green box. I'm going to open it because I already have it downloaded. And you'll see this, which is awesome because you have access to hymns, children's songbook, additional songs, youth music, even all the music from the magazines that the church puts out. So you want to go to children's songbook. And this is fantastic because you can not only see it through the numbers, but you can also go up to the top with the ABCs. And if you're looking for a specific song, you can search it in here. I am a child of God, and it comes right up. Fantastic. So now from this menu, you can play it by the little play button at the bottom. If you go back, you can push this little share button right here and scroll up, and it says add to playlist. So I'm going to add to a playlist, and I already have the playlist added that's November songs. So I'll just add it there and go back. And I'm going to cancel here and push playlists. So I go to November songs and I added I Am a Child of God here. This would be a really great place to put the 3 songs that your children are learning for each month in a playlist. So if I want to start a playlist, I go here. I could do primary 2020. Save. Awesome. I want to add songs. It's going to let me add, so I'm going to go to the children's songbook. Let's say A Child's Prayer, so I'm going to add it right there. It looks like it didn't add it, but it actually did. So I'll say done, and it added it right there. So once you push the plus button, it is one and done. Awesome. So then you have your playlist, and you can easily go here. You can say, I'll walk with Jesus. You can play, and then you can push the shuffle button at the bottom, and that will shuffle your playlist. One last thing I wanted to show you is that if you go to the library here and go back to this original menu, you'll want to use Children's Songbook, but you'll also want to use additional songs for children. So here, if I go to 1, 2, 3 at the top, change it to the menu of 2019, and I Will Walk with Jesus is a song that they have been learning even this year. This will be also a place that you'll find songs that they are learning. Good job! And it's that easy. You can use this tool to bring the Spirit into your home. I testify that as you use more primary music in your home, not only will your children be learning incredible gospel principles through music, but you will be able to transform your home through the Holy Ghost into a refuge from the storm. I invite you to download the Sacred Music app today and use it once this week. This could be as easy as having the music play in your car while you're transporting children, or you could have it playing in the background while the kids are doing things in the home. Listening to primary music will help your children, but it will also help you. It'll help change your attitude and help you have a better perspective on your life. The Sacred Music app will change your life! I'm so excited for you, and we as a Stake Primary Presidency are cheering you on. See ya!